Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi guys, here is a Samsung M21. So I want to going to tell you in this video. So what is the UI I like in this mobile phone and the features what I like in this mobile phone. So many of you guys asked me to do a video on this UI interference of the Samsung M21. So first of all, I like this function. When you have know that this is the every time when you open your mobile phone, you have seen a new look of wallpaper when you click. So if you want to enable this option, we just need to go to the settings. So we're just going to the settings like this. On settings, we need to go for the lock screen option. In lock screen, we have seen there was a function here, wallpaper service. We need to go to the wallpaper service and you can choose the anything. Whether if you select the none, then every time you won't see a new wallpaper. Of course, if you select the dynamic, then every time if you was going to unlock your mobile phone, then every time you see the new wallpaper which feels the fresh look of the mobile phone. So in that, if you go to the inside of the dynamic mobile, then you can see that there was a screen like this. There was 5 categories: landscape, life, and food, and pets, and art. Everything, anything you can go, but this requires a Wi-Fi. Of course, you can use the mobile data also. For example, I was going to download this pet option. So let's check out how it works. So once it downloaded, you have seen the label, the wallpaper is applied to the screen. Just I was going to lock the mobile and I was going to unlock the mobile. So you have seen that the wallpaper was changes from the foot to the pet style. Again, I was testing every time I was locking, I was clicking on the power button. We have seen the fresh look of the wallpapers every time. So anyhow, I was going back to the food options. So I like the favorite. This wallpapers looks nice in this mobile screen. Of course, we know that this comes with Super AMOLED screen, so which is very good in terms of color production. So that's why I like to use this option. So let's see what are the other options I like in this mobile phone. Hi guys, I just want to let you know, if you want to bring the notification like this, you can just tab like this on anywhere on the screen. By just swiping down, you can bring the notification, or else at the back side they're given is the fingerprint. So if you swipe at the back side also, you can easily bring the notification down and you can take the notification to upper side as you're comfortable. So to enable that, we just need to go to the settings. So in settings, we need to go for advanced features. In advanced features, we need to select motions and gestures. So in that option, we need to enable this option. If you enable that option, then only at the back side we can scroll the fingerprint, the notification. Just a turn off that option. So let's see, I was scrolling down. So see, it was not working. So again, I was going to enable it. Now I was going to scroll it down. So it was working. So this one you need to enable it to use the fingerprint as a notification reader. And also the next thing, we need to go to the display. After the display, we need to select home screen. In home screen, you need to select this option, swipe down from notification panel. If you suppose unselect this option, then see what was going to be happen. The notification won't come. So if you want to enable it, then you need to select the swipe down for notification panel. Once you select this option, if you enable it, then you can get the notification wherever you swipe on the screen. And also one of the thing I like in this mobile phone, the UI was very customized UI in this M21. You can select your preferred network just by tapping here. If you wish to call from the SIM2, then you need to select the SIM2. If you wish to use the mobile data for SIM2, you can select. But whereas for text messages, if you want to SIM1, then you can select it. Suppose I have selected here SIM2, then I want to make a call, so I can go for any contact. Just a swipe like this, the call has been going to the other person. In the SIM2, you have seen there in the SIM2 it was going. So like that, I want to make the calls in the SIM1. So I just want to set my preference to SIM1. Then again, I want to call to someone, just swipe like this. Now the call has been going to the SIM1 as shown in the top side. That's it guys. So it was very easy function to customize it like this. And also I want to let you know one thing here. You have seen that for SIM1 and the SIM2, you can use the Wi-Fi calling function. But keep in mind, if you are right now, I was using the SIM cards here, Airtel and the Jio. So in India, these two networks are the first networks which supports the Wi-Fi calling. So before using these two SIMs, I have inserted the Idea's 4G, but when I insert the Idea 4G, I have not seen the Wi-Fi calling function. So finally guys, if you don't know what is called Wi-Fi calling, I was providing a link in the iCard, so you guys can check out from the link from the iCard. And also guys, always on display is one of the interesting of this mobile phone. Just I lock the mobile, then you can see the always on display was open. I feel bored to change the font, the colors like this, so therefore that I just going to the settings again. I just going to settings. In settings, I am going to lock screen. In the lock screen, I was going to select the clock style. In the clock style, there was two more sets, so I was going to select the always on display. Here I can see here I can customize the clock style as my wish, as my convenient, as my interest, anywhere like this. And also guys, once you can also give colors to the clock also. If you can do your preferred color by selecting the what color you like, you can do this here also. So I have just something color, then again I was going to lock the screen, just check out what was going to be happen. You have seen that I have completely changed the clock style along with the colors. Now I can double tap it, so the screen will wake up, so I can open the mobile. And also guys, one of the interesting feature I like in this mobile phone, if you go to the advanced features and if you go to the one hand mode, so if you feel to use this 6.4 inches not comfortable in your hand, then you can enable this option just tapping like this. So you can use your mobile phone with a small screen like this. If you want to wish to bring it this window screen to here, you need to click here, then it will change to another font. Then you can do all the activities with a small size screen. If you want to go back to the full screen, then you need to tap anywhere in the black area just like this, then the screen go like that. And also guys, in the settings only, just go to the display. In the display, I have seen adaptive brightness was there in this mobile phone, so it will calibrate the temperature, so it will adjust the lighting as comfortable. And also you have a blue filter light. So if you turn on this at the night time, you can do charting, you can read, or you can watch pictures. And also you can increase the intensity of the light over here, or else you can also do it customized just for swiping down. If you enable the blue light, then if you tap on the letters of the blue light, then directly you can swipe there for anywhere on the screen without going into the settings, all those areas. And also if you swipe down, if you want to use the touch, right now the touch was turned on. If you click on the letters of the touch, then you can increase the level of the light of the touch just by like this. And also guys, whereas usually we have installed the Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, a lot of applications, so we get every time notifications which will feel discomfort. So you need to go to the notifications panel. In this notifications panel, you need to click on the see all. Then you can put the customized notification. Suppose I was in the WhatsApp many groups, so I want to restrict the WhatsApp notification. Then once I go to the WhatsApp, then I can restrict the messages from the groups, message notifications. I can deselect all these items which I was not convenient. So you can do it by yourself. Or else if you want to completely turn off the notifications for YouTube, for example, just click here on the YouTube, then the notification from the YouTube was completely restricted. And also guys, you have seen at the bottom side 3 capacitive buttons which feel both for me to use those buttons. So to make it as a new look, just go to the settings like this. Then we need to go to the display. In a display, you have seen an option navigation bar. So if you click on the navigation bar, you can select the navigation bar according to the style. Suppose you have seen the back side, home, and the recent button was here. If you want to change the direction, just click on it. See now the back side, recent windows, and home screen. If you completely want to disable it and you want to use it in this preference style, then you need to click on the full screen gestures. Then you will get some options like this. After that, when you go to the more options, then you can increase the sensitivity of your wish. Usually I like the high performance. Then in that sensitivity, you can use the options buttons like this. If you wish, you can use this skin tone, or else you can use the skin tone. For example, I want to use this style. See, now I can swipe back here. This is the home, this is the back screen. you guys can check out. If I want to open the recent, I just need to swipe it on this area. I want to go back, then I need to click here. And also guys, one of the interesting thing in this mobile phone I like is you can enable the touch sensitivity, and also while you increase the touch sensitivity, if you wear any, due to this corona everyone was wearing gloves, so if you wear a glove also, then you can easily operate your mobile phone by enabling this touch sensitivity option. It looks like I did not forget to turn off the blue filter. Okay, I just done that. So, and also you can turn on this charging information, and also you put the screensaver. So when your mobile phone was charging, you see different colors just like this. It looks beautiful now. That's it. By default the screen mode comes with natural, but if you select this vivid mode, then it will just boosting the display because it comes with Super AMOLED screen. So if you select the vivid, then it will just looks more beautiful in the display. And also you can adjust the color settings of the RGB according to your style. And also by default this mobile phone comes with call recording, inbuilt call recording function. Also you can turn it on or turn it off according to your interest. While if you connecting to headphones, then you can enable Dolby Atmos, so it will gives the good sound if you are using the Dolby Atmos. And also you can use this focus mode for your work time as your star, and you can focus on the applications also. If you if you turn on this focus mode, you have seen all the apps was disabled, so you won't get any kind of disturbance from these apps when you turn on this focus mode. I was going to turn it off. Once you turn off it focus mode, then the apps will come back. So again, and also guys, if you go to the settings, and in settings advanced features, and if you enable this option smart pop-up window, it was very easy, it was very useful function actually. Suppose I was turning on the WhatsApp, suppose I was reading an article in internet, something the stuff I was going to browsing in the web, then if you get a notification, then you have seen the pop-up window will wake up like this, and you can put this window to anywhere, and also you can give reply to this person if you wish, you can give back, and also you can put it anywhere on the screen like this, and you can keep scrolling. And also guys, you can double tap this button to turn on the camera. So by enabling this option on the side key, so by just double tapping you can start your camera while you are using any application. Just by simply double tapping here, you can easily enable the cam. And also guys, I hope I have provided all the information. And one more information, some of our team member asked me whether this phone supporting pen drive or not. So I have just connected to a pen drive. It was detecting the external pen drives, and also if you wish you can go to the Samsung apps and you can go to the my files, and at the downside I have seen that it's saying that USB storage 1. So this storage belongs to this pen drive, and also the video was also playing right now. So right now I was playing a video. So this mobile phone supports the external pen drive with the help of this OTG. The last one and the final one I like in this mobile phone is because of the keyboard. So guys, if you type anything message to a friend, and suppose there was a big paragraph, so you need to do corrections, then usually we take our finger on a particular area while we're doing any kind of editing process. But the thing is, if you hold this space button for a few seconds, then you can move the pointer with the help of this cursor, and you can put the mouse pointer to anywhere. Suppose I want to correct the U, so I just leave there and I can do backspace, and I can enter the word YUO. So I like this function very well. Then you can move the mouse pointer. Usually this is a small text message, so you can use your fingers to do edit, but whereas if the text was very big, then you can use this option to easily edit the words. So anyhow, this is one of the best mobile, but keep in mind this was not designed for gaming purpose. It comes with Exynos 9611 processor, which is good for daily tasks and everything the stuff. Even it can play the PUBG games. It can handle the heavy games also. I have already do the testing. You guys can check out from the end screen. But thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. See you very soon. We are family. Stay connected. Take care.